What if one small gadget could solve a problem you deal with every day? Oh man, just thinking about it gets me excited. Most tech gadgets look cool, but end up being totally useless, and it's such a letdown. But these 5 gadgets, these are different, and I can't stop smiling just talking about them. They can save you time, clean up your setup, help you create better content, and honestly just make everyday life feel so much easier. It's like discovering little bits of joy you didn't even know you were missing. From smart tools to seriously useful tech, here are 5 gadgets you didn't know you needed, and wow, you're gonna be so glad you found them. Let's get into it. I'm so excited right now. Still trying to record videos by yourself and stay in frame? Oh my gosh, this is about to change everything. This smart tripod literally does it for you, and I can't stop smiling just thinking about how easy it makes life. It automatically tracks your face or body, and it rotates 360 degrees as you move. Like, how amazing is that? You're filming content, taking video calls, going live, and the camera just follows you, totally hands-free. And the best part, no app required. I know, unbelievable, right? Place your phone, turn it on, and start recording. It's that simple, and I'm honestly so excited about it. You can even control it with hand gestures or use the included remote. It's rechargeable, portable, and perfect for creators, workouts, tutorials, everyday videos, everything. I'm seriously so happy gadgets like this exist. And for around $25, that's wild. It's genuinely one of the coolest content tools you can buy. Check the link in the description. Running out of ports or storage on your laptop? Because this gadget fixes both at the same time. And I'm honestly so excited about it, I can't stop smiling. It's a USB-C hub, but it also has a built-in M.2 SSD slot for extra storage. And that just feels like everything I've ever wanted finally coming together. You can connect your accessories, transfer files, expand storage, all in one device. And it just makes me ridiculously happy. You get USB ports, HDMI for a 4K display, gigabit Ethernet, and up to 90W charging pass-through. And I swear it feels like everything is just working out perfectly. Fewer adapters, less clutter, a cleaner setup. It's such a joy. I can't believe how good this feels. Perfect for laptops, tablets, creators, students, travel setups. Honestly, it feels like it was made for everyone. And for around $59, seriously one of the smartest productivity gadgets you can buy. Check the link in the description. Trying to repair small electronics with a normal screwdriver, oh man, it is so slow and frustrating. But this mini electric screwdriver kit, it makes everything feel so much easier. I can't stop smiling just thinking about it. It comes with 155 pieces. Like seriously, 155 precision bits for phones, laptops, game consoles, watches, and more. It feels like having a tiny superpower in your hands. And the powered screwdriver saves time, reduces hand strain, and lets you zip through tiny screws so fast it almost feels magical. I love it. You even get adjustable torque settings, built-in LED lights, and this magnetic case that keeps everything perfectly organized. It's just so satisfying. Perfect for DIY repairs, tech upgrades, or anyone who loves fixing their own devices. Honestly, it makes the whole process feel fun. And for around $49, it genuinely feels like one of the smartest tools. Check the link in the description. Oh man, messy cables ruining your whole desk setup? Not anymore. And I'm so excited about this. These magnetic cable clips fix that instantly. And I can't stop smiling just thinking about how clean everything looks now. Just stick them under your desk, on your nightstand, in your car, anywhere you want that perfect, satisfying cable management. And the magnetic design, it lets you grab or place a cable with one hand. I can't believe how easy it makes everything. No more digging behind furniture or crawling under your desk. It feels like such a win. They work with charging cables, USB cords, HDMI, basically all the everyday wires that used to drive you crazy. And the adhesive backing, it holds firmly and still comes off without leaving a mess. It's honestly amazing. Small gadget, but wow, such a big difference. For just $9, it's one of the easiest, happiest little upgrades you can make to your workspace. I'm so thrilled about it. Check the link in the description if you want one. Always losing your keys, your wallet, or even your luggage. Not anymore. This tiny gadget is about to change everything, and I'm honestly so excited to tell you about it. These Ugreen Air Tracker tags work with Apple Find My, which means you can track your important items right from your iPhone, and it feels so good knowing you'll actually find things when you need them. If the item is nearby, you can make the tag play a sound, and wow, you'll have it back in seconds. Such a relief every time. And if it's far away, Apple's Find My network steps in and shows you the last known location. You can even enable lost mode, and get instant alerts if something goes missing. It's like having peace of mind built right into your day. The battery is replaceable, lasts up to 2 years, perfect for keys, bags, luggage, or anything you never want to lose again. And for around $19, it honestly feels like one of the smartest everyday tech gadgets you can buy. Check the link in the description. Those were 5 super useful tech gadgets you didn't even know you needed. And honestly, I'm just so excited because at least one of these could make your daily life so much easier. I'm literally smiling just thinking about it. Please let me know in the comments which one was your favorite. I can't wait to hear what you loved most. It just makes me so happy. And if you want more smart gadgets, useful tech, and Amazon finds, definitely hit subscribe because the next video is already on the way and I'm just thrilled for you to see it. All the product links are in the description below. Everything you need is right there. Thanks so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one, and I'm seriously so excited for it.